Hello children, hope you all are well. Children, do you know that we have started chapter 3, which is addition and subtraction. And in chapter 3 we have covered two topics. First topic is addition and the second topic was its properties. So let's continue with the next topic, which is subtraction. As you know that we have four basic mathematical operations: subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. So today we will do this from these four. Now in subtraction we have two categories. First is subtraction without borrowing and the second category is subtraction with borrowing. But before starting the subtraction, first have a look of these key terms of subtraction. First key term is minuend. Second, subtrahend, and third, difference. So, we are taking one example to understand these three terms. Subtract, here first term is 37,924 and the second term is 25,612. So we will do the same procedure as we have done in the addition. First we arrange these numbers column wise according to their place value. So their place values are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. And we will write first number from this place, but we will leave one line gap over here. So in the next category, which is subtraction with borrowing, you will be writing the borrow numbers in that line, which you will leave here. So 4, 2, 9, 7, 3. It's 37,924. Now we are writing the next number, which is 2, 1, 6, 5, 2. We have written these two numbers and we are putting the symbol of subtraction. Now we will subtract them. But before subtraction, first we will understand these three terms. So first is minuend. What is minuend? The larger number by which we subtract the smaller number is known as minuend. Second term is subtrahend. So what is subtrahend? The smaller number which is subtracted from the larger one is subtrahend. And the answer of this subtraction will be difference. I hope these three terms is clear to you. First is minuend, the larger number by which we subtract the smaller one. Second is subtrahend. This is the smaller term which is to be subtracted from the minuend, and the answer of the subtraction is difference. Now we are subtracting from one's place. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 1, 9 minus 6 3, 7 minus 5 2 and 3 minus 2 1. Now you can see that there is no borrow from any digit. So this is first category, subtraction without borrowing. Now we will proceed for the second category, which is subtraction with borrowing. So children, here we will consider one more example. Now the first number is 5,97,326 and the second number is 3,98,757. The procedure is same, that first we arrange these two terms according to their places So here are the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, because the number having 6 digits: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So we write these digits over here: 6, 2, 3, 7, 9, 5. And the second number is 7, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3. Here again we place minus sign to show that this is a subtraction, and first term is known as minuend, second term is known as subtrahend, and the answer will be difference. Now we are starting the subtraction, that's 6 minus 7. Here you can see that 7 is larger than 6. So a larger number cannot be subtracted from a smaller one. So we will take borrow from the left place, which is tens place. Here we are borrowing from this number. 1 we will borrow, so it will convert into 16 and this will be 1. Now 16 minus 7. So what will be the answer? Just to subtract 7 from 16, it will be 9. Now 1 minus 5. Again 5 is larger than 1. So we will borrow from here. 3 will convert into 2. And this 1 will convert into 11. So 11 minus 5, 6. Now 2 minus 7. Again 7 is larger than 2. So we borrow from the left place, which is thousands place. When we borrow from this number, it will convert into 12 and this 7 will convert 6. Now 12 minus 7 is 5 and 6 minus 8. 8 cannot be subtracted from 6. So we will borrow from here. This will convert into 16 and this 9 becomes 8. 16 minus 8, it's 8 and 8 minus 9. Again 9 is larger than 8. So we borrow from here. So when we borrowing 1 from 5, this is 4 and this 8 will convert into 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So your answer is 1,98,569, which will be your difference. So children, these are the two categories: subtraction without borrowing and subtraction with borrowing. In the next session, you will learn about the properties of subtraction. Till then, bye.